Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to list products on Shopify. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Shopify, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Listing products on Shopify is a straightforward process that offers numerous advantages for businesses, both large and small. Alright, so depending on how you set up your Shopify account, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on products. If you haven't already, you might want to click on add a product. Alright, we're going to add a new product from scratch and we're going to create a collection from there. Right, so when creating products, of course, you can be creative. You're not limited with the default template. You can add specific prices and, of course, insert an image. That I'm going to do. You can drag this on your local computer or you can drag it and drop it here. Once you've done that, just wait for it. You want to make sure that the product that you're working with is correct. After doing so, you want to make sure that the status is active, not draft, because we cannot create a collection later, right? And if you wanted to change the price, you can do so. Want to make sure that all the information is correct, and this is going to be the search engine listing. That's one product, and we're going to create multiple products to list all the products here on Shopify. Once you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on save. And this is going to be the link where you can, of course, view that on the Shopify store later. You can preview if you want. If you click that, you see this is going to be one item, one product. All right. We're going back again to the product editor. Now we're going to the left side panel of our dashboard and we're going to create a collection. Okay. Now, if you haven't already, we're going to create another collection. This time is gonna be okay, so let's say this is gonna be list products. You can have two options. You can have the manual wherein you can add products to this collection one by one. Or you can use the automated wherein existing and future products that match the conditions you set will automatically be added to this collection. I'm going to use the automated, all right? And of course, you can put in the tags. But if you think this is like overwhelming for you, you might want to choose the manual for now, all right? You can, of course, search products and browse. So we're going to add all of these to our collection, all right? So this is going to be how you list products. Okay. So these are all of them. I'm going to delete this one. Once you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on OK and save. Now, if you click on view that, this is how you list your products here on Shopify. That's one way. Okay. Now, another option that we could explore is going to the Shopify apps. Let's say go here and type in maybe Facebook shop if you have that. Or Instagram shop. As you can see, there's going to be the Instagram and Facebook Meta Shop wherein it's available. All right, if you want to view the demo store, you can do that as well. So if you are using your Facebook shop and your Instagram shop and you wanted to sync that to your Shopify, you're going to be happy because it's a lot easier to sync these two platforms. As you can see, this is going to be the demo. And you have the follow and DM on Instagram. and connect these channels where you want to list your product. All right, so that's one way. Now I'm going to open that. Now once you have set up your Insta and FB Meta Shop, of course you can have an auto post stories. You see that? You can activate the free trial. You have the shoppable posts. You can post schedule, story schedule, and a lot more. So these are your channels and methods where you can list your products, all right? If you have an account here, you might want to click in and, of course, connect your profile. Now, another option for you to list your products on your Shopify store is adding products to the homepage, which is going to be optional. I want you to go to the online store, and I want you to click on themes, and there should be an option that says customize to the active theme. Now in the theme editor, you can add a featured product or collection section to display your newly added products. All right, I'm going to click on the another add a section. So we're going to put in featured collection or featured product. Okay, you see that? So I'm going to put in something like you can select the product, of course, from these button. For example, I'm going to select this one. I'm gonna click on select. All right, so that's that. You have also the option to change it. You see? And of course, you can have the option for the mobile view, and of course the desktop view to make sure you have the featured product. Click on save. And again, we can also put in the featured collection, wherein this is going to be the featured collection that we have added on our store. Doing so because helps you make data-driven decisions to improve product offerings, marketings, and of course, the overall store performance. The Shopify App Store offers thousands of apps that extends your store's functionality, whether you need the tool for email marketing, drop shipping, customer reviews, or loyalty programs. There's an app for everything, because apps allows you to automate tasks and advance features to your product pages and improve the customer experience. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.